Kirinto tushinge Rais RUTO narombete ndwangisha gukinyithaniria Kyoto anthini kugwatanira na muoronto wa gutigira ndua na mekarika mangukumo anthini ni makuthira arite mama umundi India kuruguria riboti ya kanju ya KIGINA ya Kyoto ire thondeketwe ni ndwangi mwanya cia gukinyithaniria Kyoto ni baria anenkanirite nkinyagia wirani wa kugwatanira na koti ni kenda kuthiria ntano cia ciari na Munini wa Rigathi GACHAGUA na atongoretie mucemanio wa nkiama irina abunge ni baria mauriti ni magwate mbaru mubango wa Kenya Kwanza wa mukobo wa thirikari tauha slafada. Rais RUTO na arombete ndwangi cia gukinyaniria Kyoto anthini kugwatanira na muoronto wa gutigira ndua na mekarika mangukumo anthini ni makuthira.
The coordinating mechanism, which is responsible for many achievements, is due for enhancement if the sector is to rise to its next level of efficiency and efficacy. It is time to also enhance criminal justice system reforms. Apart from credible and expeditious due process, criminal justice must evolve to catch up with best practice and respond to the common sense of basic fairness. For example, delays in cases is more prejudicial than the eventual penalty of conviction.
Rais RUTO ariti mama omonde India kuruguria riboti ya kanju ya KIGINA ya Kyoto ire thondeketwe ni ndwangi mwanya cia gukinyaniria Kyoto anthini gikaro giki kinyetwe ni mugambithania munene Martha Koome na nkinyagia munene wa watho Justin Muturi.
It is highly encouraging to observe such an impressive assembly of diverse actors united in common endeavor. The struggle for a just society is a noble end in and of itself. At the same time, it cannot be denied that progress in this quest directly leads to significant improvement in the lives of all people. The efficacy of our justice sector, whether and how we uphold the rule of law and administration of justice, is key to the performance of the institutions of our political economy.
Nawe Munini wa Rais Rigathi GACHAGUA na atongoretie mucemanio wa kiama kiria kirina abunge engi baria amauriti ni magwate mbaru mubango wa mukobo wa slafad.
And the president wants, when you go for recess, to continue explaining to our people the way it is operating, and most importantly, to urge them to pay. You have heard these characters from the other side of Azimio telling people to borrow the money and not to pay, which is very retrogressive thinking. That should not happen in areas where you have been elected, and we are urging you to be the ambassadors of the Hustlers Fund during the recess and take time to talk to the business people, to the young people, to the hustler nation, that there is value in borrowing that money and keep on paying and increasing their chances to borrow more. Already, we are doing very well. More than 9 million people, as of this morning, have registered for the Hustler Fund. Another 3.7 million people have already borrowed money to the tune of 2.8 billion. And what is very, very encouraging is that already 124 million has already been paid back. RUTO and I